Guys, my name is Teacher Francie. Okay, then I tried it. What? The learner's name is Map. Map looks like what map? What map is? Let's learn map. What? Quran tao made. Tao ego berry ni check. And the book. The next taken and died and died. You play your game, teacher game and chain, and you play this game, the teacher game. Woo! You know my child. Whoa, child. Whoa. Okay, let's learn map. Yahoo! I hum. Look, let's singing. What the answer? What the answer? Name is Map. Let's go. Let's answer the mapping. Map. You love map? You want to teach a map? Yahoo! You love your map? Oh, my name is Francie. Goodbye, guys. Subscribe my video and share my video. Goodbye.